The TV Night. Whoa, that was my favorite TV show. Huh? Look who's here. Afro! Oh, good to see you again, Afro, buddy! It's good to see you too, man. So what are you watching? Oh, I'm watching the Berenstain Bears. Ooh, can I watch it? Sure. Okay. Hello, who are you? My name is Ed. Hey, Ed. What's up? And what is your name? Rogers. Hello, Rogers. What are you guys watching? We're watching the Berenstain Bears. Can you watch with us? Yes. Okay. All right. Let's watch all together. Okay. Oh, hey, Roger. Who is that? That guy. This is Ed. Ed. Oh, nice to meet you, Ed. My name is Springtrap. What's up, Springtrap? And you? The name's Afron. My name's Afron, but you will call me Afro. Okay. Can I watch it? Sure. You can watch it, Ed. All right. Let's watch all together.